Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how I got this look, the Kimmy KK look with Dollar Tree makeup. And I'm not kidding, Dollar Tree makeup. I spent like 25 bucks. That was like my budget. If you haven't already seen my no foundation natural everyday makeup look, definitely check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got quite a few things already, but there's still some things missing. We need some eyeshadow now and some foundation. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by showing you what I actually got from the store. They didn't have a lot of colors for this BB cream, and they only had a BB cream. They didn't have foundation, so I had a budget of $25, and with tax obviously $25.50. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay guys, so I already prepped my face. If you want to see how I do that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make another video showing you how I prep it for any type of makeup that I'm going to do. I'm going to start off with my brows. That's what I usually like to do before anything. Alright, so for my brows, I'm going to go in with this brow cream gel that I found there in the color deep brown, and I'm gonna go in with this really tiny brush. Alright, so I filled in my brows, and I'm gonna go in with this brush here, and I'm gonna use the concealer that I got with it. Is LA Colors concealer. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna shape up my brows. So in the picture she has pretty soft tones for eyeshadow. So I got these two palettes right here. One is LAC and one is LAC. They're the same thing, same brand. I think I'm gonna go in with this orangey tone right here as an undertone. I'm gonna use this fluffy blending brush to put that in. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this like little light brown color right here. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the same palette, and we're gonna use this color right here, and where we're gonna put this? On the outside corner right here. Let's use our fluffy brush again. Go in with that.
Too dark? Is it too dark? Oh my god, my droopy eyelids can never. Look at this. And then I'm dead.
We're gonna go in with this little brush right here. We're gonna go in with this color here, and we're gonna put it right under our brow bone. So now for the inner part of the eyeball, we're gonna go in with this little eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go in with this yellow tone right here. We're gonna put that in there. we are gonna go in with this brush that looks like this, in all honesty. And we're gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a light pearly pinky something. I'm gonna put that in our inner corner here. Boom. So we're gonna go in and do our eyeliner. Alright, so I added the lashes on off camera. Can you even see it? Alright, so we're gonna go in and start doing the actual face makeup. So we're gonna go in with these BB creams. I got it in light and medium. They only have like 3 shades, so that makes it a little harder. I'm not mad at it, but it's definitely not full coverage, obviously. So let's add a little more of that. Ooh. Let's go in with a concealer before I set with a powder. So I actually got these two. This is more of like a yellowy tone and this is like a peachy tone. And then I got this one, which I use to shape out my brows. So let's go in with the peachy one first. Let's see.
We can cover up some of these designer bags. Okay, and then put on the yellowy one on top of that. Let's see what this is going to do.
Let's go in with the concealer. Let's see what this does. Oh my god, that's not even light enough. See if we can get that a little brighter. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here as well, just to highlight this. I don't even know what this is gonna do, but let's just give it a try. Let me go in with the contour that I bought. I got a contour stick in dark. Let's see how well this is gonna go. Since Kim always does like a 3 triangle type of thing, we're gonna do the same thing. this light color here for and I'm gonna put it everywhere that I put on a highlight. I'm using this little fluffy brush from Sephora. It's a highlight and contour brush. Let's go ahead and put that in. Alright, so that's it for about like a minute or two. Now I'm going to go back with this contour brush. I'm just going to brush this out. So now I'm going to go in with my fluffy fluff brush. And I'm going to take this color right here. It's just a little bit darker than the color that I was using to highlight. And I'm just going to put this all over. Let's go in with the blush now. I got this really pinky blush because that way I can build with it. And she doesn't have a lot of blush on, but we're going to use this blush. I'm taking this fluffy brush I have from e.l.f. I'm just going to put a little bit on, and I'm going to start from here, just lightly dabbing it on and bring it in. Got this bronzer too. Let's see how well this works as a highlighter though. I'm gonna take our fan brush, get a little small one. I'm just gonna lightly put it on. We can build it as we go. Alright, so in the picture she has brown liner here in her waterline and a little bit of brown here right underneath, and then she put in some mascara. So we're going to go in with the brown, which is a brown liner from e.l.f. actually that I got there. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to take the same palette and we're going to go in with this semi-fluffy brush just to put it right under here. And I'm going to go in with this brown color right here. I want to take this bronzer that I use and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. So I put some mascara on my lower lash line and put in as much as I could without having to look ridiculous. I don't think you can see it that much, but now we're going to go in with this little lip liner that I found there that actually comes with another lipstick. So it came together. It's like a brown type of lipstick. And the lip liner is like a pinky brown. So we're going to go ahead and line that. I'm going to take some of this concealer, the yellowy one, and I'm going to like try to dab it on the middle to see if it'll give me that like little ombre effect.
Oh, too much. Gotta work with what we have, huh? Dab again. On the top. Should I better?
I'm basically almost done with the look. I'm just gonna go do my hair and then we're gonna see how this looks. Alright, hold on. So this is the finished look. I mean, look at this. I'm shook at how it came out. It actually came out pretty good. I did the hair. I like it. I actually really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my little channel, and I'll see you next time.